Boa! Adapa! Owusu! Kojo Owusu!
Papa!
Raha! Kofi butter wifa. Friend mama. Snasi.
Butter. Coffee butter. Yes, sir. Perfect. We did you.
Papa, send me. Montrasi. I want all of you to understand that Efo, his family, and his tribe are our enemies. People from Efo's tribe are wicked and malicious. And they are like the mamba snake. Papa, you don't need to remind me of this. I know. But I need to remind Owusu. Owusu, our tribe and GS have nothing in common. And it is a taboo for an Asante to man an Ewe.
Papa, what at all is the problem between we the Ashantis and the Ewes?
Hey! Owusu! Owusu! Take what I've told you or leave it. Should you have anything to do with Efo or family or his tribe, that will be the end of you. In it, that will be the end of you.
Owusu, you must understand your father. Efo's tribe caused the plight of your grandmother just because she refused to marry his uncle.
Stop the war. Let's live in peace and harmony. Stop the war. Let's give peace one more chance.
I'm a fool. Only I would do for Papa. Papa, what has happened? I hope it is not Efo and his stupid son again. Who else? Who else in this village can upset me than Efo and his family?
Papa, when at all are you going to let sleeping dogs lie now?
Papa, don't waste your time listening to Owusu. Tell me, what did they do to you? Liban had a gut to slap me. And then Papa was a principal or Jenachi. Today, either I will kill Efo will kill me, or I will. He who wakes a sleeping dog up must be ready for its backing. I now have the clear opportunity to deal with Lebanon.
Papa, what is the meaning of all these bones and consternations?
Shut up! Bunkers! Someone has slapped your father, and instead of you revenging on his behalf, you are here making a fool of yourself.
Butter!
Thank you, my son. Thank you. I regret he is my firstborn. Owusu, you have to wake up. Wake up, Owusu, wake up. Go in there straight away. Go. What is that stupid father of yours? Huh?
Please, what can we do for you?
What can you do for me? I said, what is that good for nothing father of yours?
Please, he left for the farm about an hour ago.
Eh? When he comes, tell him he has bitten more than he can chew. And he has bargained for what he cannot contend.
What has our father done?
Huh? Do you want to be part of the game? Huh? Huh? Do you want to be part of the game? Huh? When that stupid father and brother of yours comes, tell them I, Kofi Water, was here. And they shouldn't dare any member of my family. Huh? You hear? Huh? Huh?
Koso baba de tofu. Kongo. Afu vavaga. Mi okpoga.
You are all witnesses to what is going on in this village. They have reopened a healed wound, and I will deal drastically with them.
That is very, very true. Sure. But we are going to give them what is not bargained for.
Sir, and from today, we have rekindled the enmity between me, Afosu, and Kokuma.
Nyalema.
The enmity between Shati. We have nothing in common. The only thing we have in common is the heart we have for each other. Therefore,
Papa, why are you making me part of this? I have nothing against Openyukuma and his family.
Rotola! Shut up! I said Sati and Onafa have nothing in common. Hey, if I should catch you together with any of them, Rokuma kill you. I personally will kill you. Rokuma will kill you. Cho, over for fair.
With all this pressure on us, what are we going to do?
Do you think your father will kill you?
What are we going to do? He sounded more than serious. Oh.
Let's leave everything to you.
Papa! 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 I'm providing you! Papa! Hey! Ah! Oh, what are you doing? Papa! Hey! What are you doing? What are you saying? Hey, it's any part that's any pan, yes, I do. Also, one back. Hey, I'm here. Also, who will be an hour? Me dem see this on the movie. But them we stand here. What? I stand here no water. Yo. Also, na I dey and see here. Papa, some you busa for them out. Dem me want say that tomu. Also kind of friend. Hey, also. Papa. Dear man there. Na you dey. Where you dey? Where you dey? I say my baby. Where you dey? Hey. Mister. Man, and I'm in Yamafono. Yet, Tino. Assassin, and then drain assassin. I'm running piano with my over town or Macron. Pop. Maybe could put that. No, wait. Medium see, I'm not for none here, Sadia way. Hey, a bro, I'm in a good pot. Maybe to two, I got tongue. I'm not talking to Mamma Millennium and Mano. Anna, I'm with me at the Senny. Papa, say can crack us over to a boya, Frank, and I'm about time. Also, Papa, also the motion. Papa, I rather see my Jennifer. Whoever did this to me will never go scot-free. I will deal with him or her in my own way. Papa, I suspect nobody than Efo and his stupid son. Or Osu, what do you think? But you are right. You are right. Efo and his son did this to me. I, Kokuma, will never forgive them. Now, they have reopened the old wound. They have hit me harder than I thought. None of you will have anything to do with Efo, his family, or the Ewa type. People from that tribe are nothing but vicious bunch of people. None of you can make friends with them. So any of you disobey me, I will kill you. I will kill you. Enobuan, talk to your children. Talk to them. Especially Owusu. Hey, Owusu. He will dare me, but I will not forgive him.
Kuma and Efo, I want the two of you to live in peace. After all, this village is a very small place, and I want all of us to live in harmony.
Odikro, I want to meet church assembly. I'm China. Mama Solon call. I want to meet Samre.
Well, as I've already stated, This village is a small place, and we cannot afford to live in acrimony. Efo, Kuma, let this be the last time the two of you are appearing before me.
Mujuma bidi di mese kwa namako boa yanko kan yanko
bra temtonjo
Stop the war.
Listen.
Let's live in peace and harmony. Stop the war. Let's give peace one more chance.
Respect. Together we can stand. Together we can build. Together we can make it. Together we can win. Together we can make it. Together we can stand. Stand for the right.
Boa Adapa Owusu Koda Owusu
Papa.
Ra Kofi buta wa ifa Friend mame Sinase
Butter. Coffee butter. Yes, sir. Perfect. We did you. Papa, na send me.
Contrase I want all of you to understand that Efo, his family and his tribe are our enemies. People from Efo's tribe are wicked and malicious. They are like the mamba snake.
Papa, you don't need to remind me of this.
I know, but I need to remind Owusu. Owusu, our tribe and deers have nothing in common, and it is a taboo for an Asante to man an Ewe.
Papa, what at all is the problem between we the Ashantis and the Ewes?
Owusu, take what I've told you or leave it. Should you have anything to do with Efo or family or his tribe, that will be the end of you. That will be the end of you.
Owusu, you must understand your father. Efo's tribe caused the plight of your grandmother just because she refused to marry his uncle.
Stop the war. Let's live in peace and harmony. Stop the war. Let's give peace one more chance.
I'm for only I would for papa.
This is the second time I am telling you this in the week. Nobody goes to God for blessing and asks God to bless his enemies. Huh? I have no problem with your mother and Labani. But you, Selassie, and then you...
Anyo. Never phone your broma. Magana tonatrio. Magakuto sama. Never talk back kwa. Kokuma for fumoto wi. Wo wi. Nyaka do fifia. Atam kanyo. Atam kanyo. Me vone crowd.
Hey, I will not be kind to any of you who should be for disobeying what I told you. Look, I will kill any person should any of you go contrary. Hey, Should any of you see any of Kokuma's family members in your dream, open your eyes. Open your eyes. Huh? Miss Amy?
But we don't have to allow their traits to kill our love for each other.
How can we continue to love each other when the same love undermines our very existence?
And don't fall. There is always a way out. We will schedule our meeting very far away from the village.
We'll soon be found out. I think it will be in our own interest if we stop seeing each other.
Stop seeing each other. And you know that will not be easy for me. After all, I'm not afraid to die for love.
I cannot afford to die at this age. I am not a happy person at all. Hey, Owusu, it's getting late and I don't want to raise any suspicion. Please, let's go home.
Look at the face. Why I need to do cocoa surgery? If I get you, my damage you, Osama, I'll destroy you, monkey face.
Selassie, why is Efo insisting we should not marry from Openye Kokume's family?
Why? Are you interested in any man from that family?
No, but I need some explanation.
If you are not, why do you need an explanation? We don't have to disobey our parents.
Selassie, are you one of them?
One of who? Me? I don't want to cause any abomination, no.
What abomination? I have clearly seen you are on their side. It's okay. Dada, I am now ready to marry. What am I supposed to do?
Ano, budget esia. Makpele fofo me atamo bumlem. Na men kaka viare sa.
Dada, am I permitted to start searching?
Ah, I want some. Alagbo, Gaka Kokuma Papa Mabioro. Ow. Ah, Pluto ha. Auro.
Why no Asante man? And why no member from Openye Kokume's family?
Anyo, Enya Mahore. Malabaga Denyama now. Oh, Asamba Kuma Kaka. Oh, Unkejo.
Dada, I have not met any man from our tribe that I love. So what am I supposed to do?
Make play Pluto. Nyada Kamala Mia Domo. Kokuma Papa Mahan and Nemai. Atamala Grona Benak Bojidina. Ah,
Then I'll not marry.
Oh, Sakokuma, Anna Santifonti na Walia. Oh, Anuba Roman sister. Oh, Gakamaga Kudron. Ba ve debluto, a look okuma papa mato. Samayan and ma, aku. Chok by Jimagada Funamo, Lanya Manti, Nanchua Manya Bato. Chana Kuma Nai. Pojimura.
Dada, what is actually going on between our family and Openyeko Kuma's family?
Anyo nam. Ebianya mama dama na ohode. Nyada kama galio. Ekpanya njode togbe oji afie kwa. Kokuma over pomoto. Owi.
Dada,
okay.
I don't think this is wholly true. There might be some other factors.
Nyakata kunyama nyada kama galio. Jodri afie ku. Yours the bear me hamia papa center. Yo na nyunu maha ejadaba. Asama.
So, does it mean there can't be any possible marriage between someone from our family and their family?
Oh, Anyo. Anyo magatrito. Anyo magatrito lo. Anyo maba magatrito. Sa, nyakata konya mama ba au. Asama, maba au. Ah. Davia. Nyara jojom. Bo, alo na janyare la po mama. Manya onya bia mala. Na nya be na vai janyare la po mama. Kana jira dosia. Esama. Chona namba chima wonu na macho.
Rakachanya.
Yamado.